Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvashi. So today, as you know by the title, that I am going to share my Nykaa haul with you all. Next up, I picked up few liners. It's not liner, actually gel liners, or you can also use this as kohl. So it is actually named as Glamorize Nykaas Glamorize. So I picked up the shade Teal Spell. I haven't yet used it because I haven't yet got the chance to create something in this shade. So this is the swatch of this one. And again I picked up the another shade that I wanted to pick up since really long, and this one is the shade Blue Hex. Yeah, Blue Hex. So you can see these are the really nice and beautiful shades. Also these are universal because this will go up with most of the eye looks if you are really, like me, into creating lots of colorful eye looks. So these will come handy to put in the waterline. Also you can use this as eyeliners. If you are not that much pro with the liquid liners, then you can definitely go ahead and use these to apply as eyeliner on top of your lids. And these, after setting, these do not budge, do not move. You have to remove them with cleansing water or something to take them off. So these are really nice. Again, I think these are priced at $450, but I got it around $360 Nykaa sale. So I picked up the two of them. I already have one that is Moonchild, and that is really brilliant silver color. So I am thinking to pick up some more shades from this one. So stay connected to see them. The next up I got it from e.l.f. and this is e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, and I got it in the shade Marvelous. So yeah, this is the shade of Marvelous. So it has a bit of cooling sensation, I can say that, after applying. So this one retails for 800, but I got it around 600 or 650. There were some off on e.l.f. products. So when I picked up the camo sponge, then I decided to pick up this shade because I think I do not own any shade like this. So yeah, so I picked up two of the Huda Beauty palettes. Let me hide the mirror first because it will reflect the lighting. So these are the shades of Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I have been meaning to buy these ones since really long time because the quality of Huda Beauty eyeshadows are really top notch, and I have also heard a lot of good things from some of the beauty bloggers like Shreya, and for that matter Shivangi, because I really follow them closely and their tutorials. So I thought to pick them up. So I got the Mercury Retrograde palette, and this eye look I have created using this. And if you have not watched that video of this makeup look, then please go and watch it. Please go ahead and watch it. So I'm going to swatch some shades for you. So I haven't yet digged up in most of the shade. Let's try some of the shades. So these are the swatches of some of the shades, and the mattes and the shimmery shades both are really warm from this palette because the quality of Huda Beauty eyeshadows are, I think, commendable and everybody raves about them. So I thought this is the right time for me to pick them up, and thanks to Nykaa it was on 40% off, and the day before it was on 30% off. That day only I was thinking to get them. Also I added them in my cart, but I thought no, I should not be spending around 7,000 on two palettes. So I waited, and the next day Huda Beauty eyeshadows went for 40% off, and I picked up two of them. So I got this for 2,376 I think, and originally it retails for 53 5,376 I think, 5,376 only. So first one is this one, Mercury Retrograde palette. I will share a different video about the swatches of this palette. So if you want to know about how the shades are performing, please stay connected and follow that video. So as I said that I picked up two of the eyeshadows from Huda Beauty. So this one is the rose gold variant. This is the classic Huda Beauty cardboard packaging. That one, Mercury Retrograde, has a plastic packaging that is also sturdy, and cardboard one is also more sturdy I think. So this is the look of Rose Gold Remastered palette from Huda Beauty. You can see I have not yet touched any of them because I am just saving these to create a new tutorial and then swatch them. So if you want to see the tutorial, please comment down below, and again I will swatch them in that day only. So I am just saving this for that day when I will create some nice look using these shades. Shivangi and Shreya really like to use these eyeshadow palettes, so I was really meaning to get them. Thank God I got it, thanks to my guys. I do not believe in spending lots of money in eyeshadow palettes because, as you know, the channel is a new one, and again I am a makeup junkie and I like to create makeup looks, but I will not recommend you to spend your 5,000 or 6,000 only on a eyeshadow palette if you are not a regular user of eyeshadows. Again, if you are a teenager, then it is a really crime to go for really high-end and costly palettes because it is a lot of money. Let's be honest, it is a lot of money. But if you are a content creator, or if you wish to have a career in beauty blogging or something, then you can definitely go ahead. Or you are going to get married and you wanted to own a palette like them, then go for one, that will be justified. But if you are a normal girl who does not apply that much of makeup every day, then I would not recommend you to go for these costly palettes because these are really costly. When I spent that much of money on those palettes, then I got this shade Shika or Shika something from Huda Beauty. Shika I think, Shika from Huda Beauty Demi Matte collection, and this one is a really nice mauvish lipstick that I have applied on my lips today, but I have topped it up with PAC's 40 Adore shade because I wanted to highlight the middle of my lips to get that ombre effect. So I applied a bit of Adore on top of it, but this is the shade. Let me just swatch it for you. So yeah, this is again a rosy, dusty rosy shade with a hint of mauves mauve, and I really like this shade. And today I created a rose gold sort of tutorial, so I thought to pair this up with this eye look, and it was going really well with this eye look. So yeah, and I got it for free. I did not pay anything. I got it for free because I purchased those two palettes. So I got this one free totally. And actually, let me just tell you that originally I think it cost around 1850 somewhere, but if you want to check out the collection, please go on Nykaa and check them out if you wanted to pick some shades from them. I can only tell you that the formula of this lipstick is really comfortable. It is not chappy or drying. It is really comfortable formula, and again it has a bit of sheen, so you do not need to apply any kind of different lip gloss if you are that lip gloss person that I am nowadays. Earlier I was a matte person, but nowadays I feel like topping up a bit of lip gloss on any of my lipsticks to make lips plumper. Let me know in the comments below that if you are like me, turning into matte to glossy lips. glossy lips person. Okay, the next up is this Nykaa's Metalicious Next Level Nude. Nykaa's Metalicious Next Level Nude Lip Crayon. That I have heard a lot of good things about it from everybody, like Malvika and Shweta Vijay. They all rave about this lipstick, and I really felt that the hype about it, because it is a really nice nudish, peachish, brownish lipstick. And in my previous tutorial I applied this one with mix of Lippy from NYX Puppy Love, and I can say this is a really nice nude lipstick, and it will go definitely with every look of yours, because it is a really nice nudish color. So everyone from fair to deeper skin tone can go for this lipstick, because it will suit you all. And again, in the Metalicious range they have some of the really nice shades, so if you are willing to pick up one, please pick up in the sale. They have around 20 and 30% off these Metalicious Nykaa's lip crayons, and the quality and the formula is really creamy, buttery, and when it sets on your lips, it sets really matte. It is not transferable, it is transfer proof, smudge proof, sweat proof. So these are the really nice lipsticks if you are wearing mask and stepping out, though I hope that you are not stepping out, but some days if you are going out for some grocery shopping and all, then you can use this lipstick under your mask, or maybe in the later days that we will use, but mask will be there, so under the mask it is not going to budge. So next up I got from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this one is in the shade Stop Playing Safe. I already have one that is Rosy in the Air. Also I have swatched it up and uploaded in a short video. If you haven't yet watched that video, then please go ahead and watch that up. So this is the swatch of some shades. It's a really pigmented one. These were also on sale, so I picked up 3 of them. So this is the next one. It is in VI Purple. So as you know my love for purple, so this one I had to get it. So let me just swatch the purple. And this one, this dark shade is a duochromatic shade. See, this is the purple one. It also has some kind of silverish sheen to it, and the duochromatic shade actually looks dark and kind of violet, deep dark violet shade, but it has pink shift to it. So I really like the shade, so I bought this one. And the another one is really nice and loved neutral palette from across the beauty blogger community. This one is really loved palette by Wet n Wild, and most of the beauty bloggers loved it because it has some neutral tones to it, and also it is really nice if you are not into too much colorful eyeshadows, then you can use this eyeshadow palette to create lots and lots of looks, because it has all sorts of neutrals, plus also it has some of the dark shades, goldens, rose golds, and some dark brown shades. So it is a really nice palette to have. And this one is in the shade My Glamour Squad. These are the new addition of Wet n Wild palettes. So this is the swatch of Glamour Squad palettes, some of the shimmery shades. So originally they retail for $7.99 and some of the old palettes retail for $4.99, but I got it for around $400 or $4.19 each. So I picked up 3 of them. So yes guys, that was my Nykaa haul, and that was all about all of the purchases. Few things are still in transit, I believe, and they will reach I think later to me. So I will update you in my next haul video or my next makeup tutorial as I use them. So stay connected for that, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your family and friends. Maybe it would be helpful for them. Also please let me know in the comment section below that what do you want to see next, you can also share your feedbacks with me. And again, do not mind the voice of the AC because it is too hot here, so I could not help it. So I turn on my AC and switched off my fan because fan create lots of noise, so I kept my AC on and switched off the fan. Please don't mind that. So that was all for my Nykaa haul. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.